Hey guys, Cowboy here. Y'all got me tearing my bike all apart today. And you wonder why? I got to replace this cheap trunk. I got this trunk about 2.5 years ago. It worked good for about a year. Then it started giving me some problems. The hinge pins kept vibrating out. I have to tap them back in. Finally, I did lose one. My latch broke. Had to order a new latch. The latch was 20 bucks on eBay to go on a $60 trunk. Anyway, I put a new latch on it and drove it about 6 months. That video y'all probably watched where I went to the homeless veterans home or organization. Come up on a railroad track I didn't see until it was just too late to do much about it. Hit it pretty hard, and when I did, it cracked the lid. Cracked it all the way up and broke the hinge. So that's just not too cool. I have ordered a different trunk. That's one actually designed for a Harley Davidson. It's a cheap one off of eBay too, but hopefully not near as cheap as this. It should be in tomorrow, and we're going to try to get it put on. I hope and pray that it's a whole lot better than what I've got. But anyway, if y'all looking at these trunks on eBay for $60 and $70, if you ride regularly, I wouldn't waste my time. Otherwise, you're going to be replacing it every couple of years, or even sooner. This latch I bought is already giving issues, and it's not been on, but like I said, I put it on back in the summer, and it's just beginning to March now. So anyway, I just want to show y'all what I'm doing, and we're going to get this thing off, and when the new one comes in, we're going to get it put on and see how it fits. I've got to make some brackets, looks like, to make it fit on my luggage rack the way this one was designed to do. Show y'all a closer look of what it's doing. See this crack? It actually goes all the way up into here. This latch, I don't know if you can see how it's kind of sprung out. That's exactly how the first one did. And then from there, it just finally broke loose, and it's starting to break loose right here. This thing is just like that going down the road. I went and put some edge molding, door edge molding around, tried to tighten up the space, didn't do a bit of good. Little rubber bumpers that are up here, I don't know if you can see them in the light or not, but I siliconed them to where they would stay. They kept falling out, didn't make a bit of difference. But anyway, and the light, I'm going to blame the brake light failure on the bouncing up and down. I've replaced the LEDs twice on it. 2 or 3 of them would go out, and they're out again. Only half of them are working. Seat back, this done real good until my wife's cat's got a hold of it. So that's another reason that I have to replace it. It looks like crap, and now it's got claw marks. We're about to fix that problem though. But anyway, this is what I'm doing. Let's see what it looks like when I get done. Okay, I got the trunk off now. Now, as soon as the other one comes in, supposed to be here tomorrow. There was a note this morning said that it got delayed. Shipping got delayed in Nashville because of the tornado that hit in Germantown. So we may be here tomorrow, and it may be Friday. We'll see. But anyway, I've got it off. The broken one over there mounted to this luggage rack, and I've got to make a way for the Harley Davidson style one to mount to it as well. So we'll when it comes in, we'll deal with that next. Well, we got the tour pack on. This is the Harley style tour pack. I have got it mounted. It's the same as like a King tour pack. It's a cheaper one. $230 on eBay.
finish is real nice. Unlocks on the side, and it lifts up. It has really spacious inside. This is not spring loaded, but for $230, I guess, what do you expect? It is sealed all the way around, but it does rattle a little bit. Really, I think all it needed was a thicker seal, and it wouldn't have done that. Pretty decent hinges. Get the light to come on. When I done it, of course, it's not a Harley Davidson, so I had to do something about the way I mounted it. I put this heavy plate in here. Probably used way too many bolts, but anyway, I got to put this plate on the inside, and these wires are going to the lights when I hook them up. Underneath, I put a galvanized plate. It's pretty good size, and it's bolted to the top plate from the inside, one of the reasons for all the bolts. And then I've got a small plate under my luggage rack, which is also galvanized, and it's got 4 bolts, and then the nuts. I used all stainless steel material, and you can loosen it up and slide it back about 1 inch. I've got it slid all the way forward at the moment. It has a real nice backrest with a pad that hangs down. My wife says it's very comfortable. Here's the other side, the hinges. They're metal hinges. They're pretty good size. And I like the luggage rack. It's bigger, of course. Well, the whole tour pack is bigger than my old one, but this luggage rack is cupped on each end where my other one was straight on the other end. And it's built very similar. I did have to mark my holes and drill the holes in the top to bolt it. It was a simple install. I made it a little heavier duty by putting no extra plates and the bolts, but I want it to last. It does. Closes and latches real well. And it has the round key. But anyway, this is it. I'm very happy with it for what it, compared to what we had in the past with the old small one that was broken, and there never was enough room. Now I've got like twice the room I had on the other one. So guys, appreciate y'all watching. We're going to come back later and put lights on it. I'm going to try to line it, I think, with some carpet and make it even a little sturdier.